Zone CM, Honorable MLA Nongpo, for tabling this important call attention motion under Rule 54(1) of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business regarding newspaper clipping which appeared in the newspaper Umopor dated 31st July 2023 under the caption Kumka Waitlam Arliang Sirti Trikamka ILP Ong U Lampang Ka Arunachal Pradesh. Speaker Sir, as Mr. Deputy Speaker Sir, as has already been mentioned by the Honorable Speaker before initiating the call attention, that since the matter and the particular article quoted Speaker of another assembly and has been requested by the Honorable Speaker to not go into the individual, I would refrain from taking names or referring to any statement made by any individual at this point in time. But as was mentioned by the Honorable Speaker, that he allowed this particular call attention since it was of public importance. Hence, I will stick to the reply which mentions about the ILP itself. Sir, I would like to inform the members of this august House that the demand for the ILP has been pending for a very long time. And the demand for the ILP even grew stronger after the enactment of the Citizen Amendment Act. Sir, if you recall that during that period, it was the MDA-1 government that had convened a one-day special session on the 19th of December 2019, and this House had unanimously adopted a resolution in favor of implementing the ILP in the state of Meghalaya. Sir, I would like to inform you that inform the honourable members that this House that the delegation of MLAs had met the Honourable Union Home Minister in New Delhi on the 20th of February 2020, and the delegation was informed that the central government is examining the resolution passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, and it was assured that the rights of the tribal people of the state will not be diluted. Sir, it is also worth emphasizing that during the 69th plenary of the Northeast Council meeting attended by Shri Amit Shah, the Honourable Union Home Minister, which was held on the 23rd and 24th of January, different organizations had written a letter to the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills, seeking an appointment with the Honourable Minister, and 7 members from each organization met Honourable Union Minister, and they conveyed the importance of implementing the ILP in the state. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, on the 17th of August 2022, NASO and other organizations held a sit-in demonstration in Shillong, protesting the implementation of the Citizen Amendment Act and to voice the demand for the implementation of ILP. It may be stated that the resolution passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on 19th of December 2019 was sent to the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India for consideration via DO number POL.161/2012/PT/151 dated 23rd of December 2019. The government again approached the Union Home Ministry on the matter via DO number CM/UM/2020/21 dated 17/11/2020. So during the visit of the Honourable Union Home Minister to the state on 23rd of January 2021, a memorandum was submitted by the state government in which the matter relating to the demand for ILP, for implementation of ILP in the state is also included along with other demands. On the 8th of August 2023, along with my cabinet colleagues, we had met the Honourable Prime Minister in New Delhi in the Parliament and submitted a memorandum on various issues, including the demand for implementation of ILP. So the state has been constantly following up with the Union Home Ministry on the issue of ILP, and the state is awaiting a response from the Government of India on the matter. I once again, sir, would like to thank the Honourable Member for calling the attention of this House and with the following notes and the updates that I had given, I would like to resume my seat, sir.
Thank you. Any clarification?
Sir, so point of order, sir. But the call attention rules, sir, 54(2) states, sir, that there shall be no debate on such statement at the time it is made, sir. But I'm sorry, you have already given your ruling. But I just want to draw your attention to this point. But sir, your ruling will be final, of course.
The only one, he can seek one clarification if he wants. Then we'll come to...
No, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to an Honorable Chief Minister for the elaborate response, and we hope for positive outcome in days to come. Thank you, sir.